Hey guys, so I wanted to do a video talking about the Glow Recipe Watermelon Juice or Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. It is a mouthful. It comes in this cool wavy packaging, and then this just pulls off, and you have a pump, and this snaps back into place. I really like the bottle. I'm considering keeping it to decant other things into, but I haven't decided on that yet. But as you can see, mine is almost gone. I got this, I believe, through Ipsy at a discounted price, which I really love this product. I already knew I loved this product, and that's what I'm here to talk to you about. This moisturizer is amazing. It doesn't leave your skin greasy. It soaks in really well. It doesn't take a lot. I do 3 small pumps and then smear it all over my face. And I use this day and night. Now, they do have other products that are meant for use at night, but I love this one so much that I use it all the time. I've noticed a real big difference in my skin, and the fact that it's not dry, flaky, and peely like it used to be. And I really love the smell of this. It smells just like fresh cut watermelon. It's amazing. If you have been around my channel, you know that I've been obsessed with watermelon products, and this honestly has been one of the ones to start it. This and the Pure Lease moisturizer, which I did a review on a couple weeks ago. That one's another good one to check out. That one, actually I've used this one longer than that one, because I kept getting samples at Sephora of this. I'm not sure how much the full size is. I think it's like $30 or $40. I'll put it on the screen once I figure that out. Can't look it up because I'm recording on my phone. But it's definitely a great moisturizer. I really love it. The company just makes really good products. Even if you don't like watermelon, they have a banana souffle one. They have just all kinds of different scents, and one's targeted for different problems. So I recommend this if you're looking for a moisturizer and you're usually pretty dry. Then this, I feel, could help you a lot, because it's just such a nice, clean, moisturizing, I don't know how to word it the best, I guess. It's just really good product that stays, with you. Even I sleep with this on my face and I wake up feeling hydrated still and not super dry, which I used to wake up dry like the desert, and before that I was super oily. I used to be. So this has definitely helped me regain control over my skin. Yes, I have redness, but I always have redness, but I'm not flaking, dry. I'm just not having any problems. So I really love this. I have been using some other products along with it lately, but even when I used this by itself, it was perfection. And I will be rebuying this once I get through everything that I have right now, because I just got some more of the Pure Lease. So I have 3 tubes of that. I've got 2 things of the Clean and Clear watermelon moisturizer, and then I just got one from Dollar Tree, So I have a lot of different moisturizers that I'm going to be working my way through, and we'll talk about those when I've formed an opinion on those products. But I definitely love this. I think you will too if you have dry skin, especially during the winter months. It is very lightweight. I don't know if you can see how like easy that moves. Very liquidy. It's not super thick. It's not super runny either. It's just a nice consistency. I just love the smell of this stuff. It smells so good. I will be sad to see this empty, but at the same time, I am working on using up my products and enjoying them this year. So in the end, I will be happy that I got every bit of use out of this product. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know down below if you've ever used this. If you haven't, I recommend going to Sephora. If you don't know, you can get 3 free samples per store per day. So I would recommend trying this out, and the sleeping mask that they have, I think is also watermelon. It's pink. So I would recommend trying those out, but go get you a sample. I mean, what's it gonna hurt? Let me know what you think about this product down below. Please check out all the watermelon playlist, and I will see you next video. Bye.